Good morning everyone. Today, very nice day. Come outside the house with me, with the sun. I'm off today so we can go around to have some more photos and videos. This one, the small street of one of the small street, White Street in the Fairfield Heights. This one even a small street, but they got a lot of new house around. Nowadays, as you know, the bank interest increase after COVID time, so people no money to buy the house. But if you got money, don't forget to buy the house or far away and invest your house. See, they don't need to buy the new house. What they do with their old house, old land, they can lock down the old house and they can build some duplex like that. More cheaper than you go and find out the new area, new land. That's how it works. And if you like your area, should be do that way. One of that one you can live, and choose the other one you can sell to someone else or you can invest. That's very good for more income for your family. Let's go around and see a lot new house in this street. This one belong to Fairfield Heights area. Yeah, after COVID, economic a little bit up, so everything, every rice, even the food, more expensive, veggie and meat more expensive too. Recently, we find out from my friend that even the tissue from the oldie, only couple hours they got. See, everything cheaper and the people buy faster. Yeah, good to have some exercise in the morning with the sun, everyone. Don't forget about this. When you do exercise, as I see, you got some fresh air outside, go for a walk, and your body moving, stretching, very good for your body. Not even the lose weight. See, the new house and the new style, new design. See, even small land like that, but they can do for 3 houses like that. 3 duplex. I love spring, the weather nice, not so cold, not so hot. Look, this one very nice one. Yeah, 20 years ago, Fairfield Heights is only the small area, but now Fairfield Heights improved, developed a lot. In Fairfield Heights, you can see a lot of shops, Woolworths, bakery, Asian shop, and also post office too. And the new house, new garage to fix your car, everything. After 20 years, Fairfield Heights will grow and grow more. It's time for season of mango. So this mango a lot of flower too. See, this house should be Asian one. We got sugar cane too. See, another new house, new building. This one for double two only, but cheaper than you go to find another area, even the old house, because they with the old house they sell mainly by the land. That's why people live in the area for a while, more than 30 years, 40 years. They don't want to move. They love around the location where they live. So that's why they just build it. That's a good idea. Finally, the vaccine, very good now. More than 90% double vaccine, so everyone can come out, send your calls and go far away from your house. Newcastle, Wollongong, always free for everyone to go, to take the kids go on the weekend. That's why we take any go to the beach on the weekend too. See, very nice garden. Take a lot of time to do the garden like that. Yeah, but sometimes the 1st of December, and you will see more chairs, more open from the Dominic Premier New South Wales. And everyone can book the ticket, go to Fiji, go to Thailand from now on. But have to be careful. Whatever you got the double vaccine, you still got the COVID. But now no one care anything, because as we know, everyone go out a lot, and even some restaurant they can get a long queue, especially in Kenley High, in Kenley Vale Road. I can't believe it, how people can wait more than half an hour to wait outside the restaurant to queue to get in. I don't know what the good idea, because by the time they stand in, they hand out for queue, no one do 1.5 meters. That's not really good idea to eat. Whatever you eat after that, if even only one people got the COVID, the other one will spread to the customer. Very dangerous. You can go everywhere, got some more fresh air, more distance. That's good more than you stay in a restaurant. Even the food very nice, but still very dangerous. I don't know what the people thinking about that one. For me, for us, usually my husband, he say he never wait outside to go to get restaurant, whatever food nice or not. He not be patient to wait. That's right. I agree with him too. Because especially the COVID time, people stay like that, eating, dying in the restaurant, busy like that, easy to get COVID, especially the kids, small kids. Because under 12 years old, the kid not have vaccine. Still worry any patient, every parents. I don't know what you think, because your children, that's the most important life for you. But you don't care about children, about your kids, and we can't do anything. That's too bad to have a baby, have a parent like that. You have to thinking about the baby first, your own kid first, before you thinking for yourself. Some parents very selfish. Some parents just thinking about go holiday, do everything by yourself, even take the kid go, but they forgot about what the kid will get if they got COVID. For parents, they got vaccine, that prevent a lot. But what happened with the kid? No one think carefully about that one. They just want to enjoy, especially your joy, your parent enjoyable, not for the kids. I don't think so. They enjoy for kids. They enjoy for themselves first, and after the kid, the second one. For me, I'm disagree with that way because the kids so small. We have to think about them first before you think about yourself. Thank you very much for listening and looking around with me under the nice day with the sun. Any comment? Don't forget to write down something. Thank you.